Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change Kia Niro wiper blades. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. Always handle the wiper arm with care during this initial step. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look for a small release tab or button where the blade connects to the wiper arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight down or off the hook, depending on your specific blade type. Hold onto the wiper arm securely to prevent it from falling onto the windshield, which could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new wiper blade's connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to double-check that it is firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Once the new blade is installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade if you are replacing both. Finally, turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. This allows you to check for proper function and ensure the new blades are clearing your windshield effectively and quietly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.